Good morning, everyone. I am Meenakshi from BSc Chemistry Honors, final year. Today, I am going to read the topic that is the fermentation for visually impaired students. Fermentation is a chemical transformation of organic substrate into simpler compound by the action of enzyme complex organic catalysts, which are produced by the microorganisms such as molds, yeast, or bacteria. Fermentation technologically is the use of microorganisms to produce food, pharmaceuticals, and alcoholic beverages on a large scale industrial basis. The science of fermentation is called zymology. Principle of fermentation process. The basic principle involved in the industrial fermentation technology is that organisms are grown under suitable conditions by providing raw materials meeting all the necessary requirements such as carbon, nitrogen, salts, trace elements, and vitamins. The end product formed as a result of their metabolism during their lifespan are released into the media which are extracted for the use by human beings and that have highly commercial value. Types based on the respiration. Aerobic fermentation. Aerobic fermentation or aerobic glycolysis is a metabolic process by which cells metabolize sugar via fermentation. In the presence of oxygen, it occurs through the repression of a normal respiratory metabolism. Aerobic fermentation means that the oxygen is present. Wine, beer, and acetic acid vinegar, such as apple cider vinegar, need oxygen in the primary or the first stage of fermentation. When creating acetic vinegar, for example, exposing of surface of the vinegar to as much as oxygen as possible creates a healthy, flavorful vinegar with the correct pH. Homofermentation when only one type of product is formed. Heterofermentation when more than one product are formed. Lactic acid fermentation. Lactic acid is formed by the pyruvate produced by glycolysis. NAD positive is generated from NADH. Enzyme lactate dehydrogenase catalyze this reaction. Lactobacillus bacteria prepared from milk by this type of fermentation. During intense exercise, when oxygen supply is inadequate, muscle derive energy by producing lactic acid, which get accumulated in the cells, causing fatigue. Alcohol fermentation. This is used in the industrial process, in the production of wine, beer, biofuel, etc. The end product is alcohol and CO2. Pyruvic acid break down the acetaldehyde and CO2 is released. In the next step, ethanol is formed from the acetaldehyde. NAD positive is also formed from NADH, which is reused in glycolysis. Yeast and some bacteria carry out this type of fermentation. The enzyme pyruvic and decarboxylase and alcohol dehydrogenase catalyze these reactions. Citric acid. Citric acid 2-hydroxypropane 1,2,3 tricarboxylic acid derives its name from the Latin word citrus with a molecular weight of 210.14 gram per mole, which contain 3 carboxylic acid functional groups, which with 3 different values of pK 3.1, 4.7, and 6.4. Citric acid is primary metabolic product in the most important organic acid produced in large quantity and is extensively used in food and pharmaceutical industries. Citric acid is a tricarboxylic acid formed in tricarboxylic acid cycle or Krebs cycle and is found in small quantity in all living cells. Citric acid is first commercially produced in England in 1826 from lemons, contains 7 to 9% citric acid. Until 1919, it is produced mainly by submerged fermentation using Aspergillus niger or Candida species from different sources of carbohydrates such as molasses and starch-based medium. Citric acid production. About 99% of the world citric acid production occurs through the microbial process. which can be carried out using submerged or surface cultures. The 70% of anhydrous or monohydrate from form of citric acid is used in food and beverage industry as an acidifier or antioxidant to prevent or enhance the flavor and aromas of fruit juices, ice creams, and marmalades. 20% is used in pharmaceutical industry as an antioxidant to prevent preserve vitamins, effervescence, or pH corrector, blood preservative, or in the form of iron citrate as a source of iron for the body as well as in tablets, ointments, and cosmetic preparations. In the chemical industry, which uses remaining 10% is employed as a foaming agent for softening and treatment of textiles. Surface fermentation using rice, barn, or other starch or sugar rich substrates have been used for the surface fermentation by Aspergillus niger or in liquid solution flat aluminium or stainless steel pans. Niger can be used to produce citric acid despite of high content of trace metals in the rice barn such as rice barn are used. The citric acid is extracted from the barn by leaching and is then precipitated from the resulting solution as a calcium citrate. Submerged fermentation. It is common practice where citric acid is made in the fermenter. Citric acid made the fermenter is made. The acid-resistant materials such as stainless steel. The carbohydrate source are molasses decationized by ion exchange, sucrose or glucose, MgSO4 7H2O and KH2PO4 at about 1% and 0.05 to 2% respectively are added. The pH is never allowed higher than 3.5. Copper is used at up to 500 parts per million as an antagonist of enzyme aconitase, which require iron. 1 to 5% of methanol, isopropanol, or ethanol, when added to fermentation containing unpurified material, increase the yield. The yield are reduced in the media with purified materials. As high aeration is deleterious to citric acid production, mechanical agitation is not necessary and air may be bubbled through antifoam is added. The fungus occurs as a uniform dispersal of pellets in the medium. The fermentation lasts for 5 to 14 days. Thank you.